TRJ is a construction company, a family-run construction company since 1935, predominantly in the west of Wales. I believe the apprenticeship programme is a wonderful thing for TRJ. It marries both classroom experience as well as site experience together to bring around a well-rounded individual for the company.
Getting an apprenticeship with TRJ has been fantastic. It has basically changed my life.
Going forward with apprenticeships, as training evolves and diversifies within the future, such as with green energy and with AI technology, TRJ will hopefully be investing into that going forward. When we got the call, we were told we were finalists. We were overjoyed because of all the work that we put into our apprenticeship schemes.
Thanks to this apprenticeship, I've got a really exciting future.
TRJ, the company, doesn't see the apprenticeship as just as somebody to invest into for the company, but we see them as an individual. Whether they stay with us or go off there on their own, we believe that they're an investment not just in TRJ, but within construction overall.
Little Inspirations Day Nursery was set up in 2003 and we care for children from the age of birth right up to the age of 12. Our apprenticeship programme has been very successful. We've been running it now for nearly 17 years and we've seen a massive growth in our staff, in their confidence, their independence, and obviously it reflects in the company standards as well.
The apprenticeship has been really good. I fitted in really well. The staff have been really helpful with me as well, and I'm really enjoying myself.
The benefit for the apprenticeship is they are learning while they are earning. They're in work and they're hands-on experience and they're gaining the knowledge from the rest of the team with them, and they've been able to do it at their own pace, and this is something that is just outstanding for them. Finding out that we were a finalist is really special, as this is our 20th anniversary of business, and to have this recognition just means so much to everybody involved in the company.
Maes is a large primary school here in Flintshire. We have 270 children and we are a community-focused school. One of our main successes working with the apprentice scheme is to allow the people of the community to work alongside us as a school as a learning organisation. There are many avenues for our apprentices to move on from here. We have ourselves taken on some of these apprentices, others have gone on to work in other schools in the vicinity, and others have used it as a stepping stone to further education and are going on to do teacher training.
As an apprentice at Ysgol Maes Ffelin, it's been a fantastic experience learning on the job and watching the children grow.
The apprentice scheme has worked for us so well. It's given us an opportunity to provide extra support to the staff and to the children in our school to give them all the things that they deserve. As a school, we were so proud to become a finalist in this award. It's shown all the hard work over the years has come to fruition.